There are only a few minutes to go in the second half of this cup final match between Falcons and Eagles, and still there is no score. Jerry had the ball and made a magnificent run on the wing. Oh, what a player this man Jerry is. Last year he was playing for the Falcons but changed to the Eagles at the beginning of the season. Since then he has been their highest goal scorer. Jerry centers. It is taken by Ross but he's robbed by Bennett. Taken by Jackson over the Falcons but saved by Goli Brown. The Falcons are now on the other and centers to Ross. But he's spoiled by Flash. He loses the ball to Bennett. Bennett to Ross. Shoots, but the ball is saved by Goli Brown on the Eagles. The ball is now on the loose play over the other side of the field. There can be many minutes left in this game, and it must be well into an injury time. Oh, what a magnificent save by Goli Brown. The play is fast and furious. Round of the Falcons' goal, but Eagles just can't net it. And that was the final whistle for this cup tie. There will have to be a replay. Just listen to the crowd.
Joe Bullet. He's the man who fights evil. He's the man who fights crime. He's the man no one can tie down. He's the man the criminals fear. He's the man that you can't get near. He's the man that money can't buy. Beware if he's looking for you. Oh, pity is the last thing you'll get. He'll hunt you night and day until he finds your hideaway.
Hello, Lucas.
Hello, Mr. Pogo.
How's things going? Meet my friend Rocky, a football fan and very interested in the Eagles.
How do you do?
How do you do? It is not often I have a chance to watch the team training, but Mr. Pogo invited me over.
You're welcome.
That was a very good game last Saturday, Lucas. But I think the boys will have to put in a little more effort if we are to win the cup.
The boys are training hard. Just watch the ball control. Jerry and Flash are the backbone of the team. Jerry is 66 and Flash is 111. Just watch them play.
I don't want to interfere with your work, Lucas. But as president of the club, I must say what I think. It seems to me they ought to play more like a team. They are inclined to be all individuals. Get them to pass the ball more often and not dribble around until they lose it.
That's exactly what I'm trying to do. Excuse me, I won't be long.
All right.
What are your chances for the cup?
Come and meet the men it depends on.
Can I get a picture?
Not at the moment.
Let me
I
have
haven't
one
the
for my
time.
journal. You, Flash, and Jerry.
Well, okay. Come on, you two. Come and have your picture taken.
Could you give me an idea of your
No, I
training
have
method?
no more time.
Please, my readers are very interested in the eagle.
Could I have your autograph, sir? And you, sir, please?
It's all my job, after all.
Where's Mr. Lucas?
Over there, son.
There you are, son.
No, I've no more time.
Come on, you guys, back to work.
Hurry, let's get away from here.
Tu madre. Tu madre.
Are you sure your scheme will work?
I've done it before. You find a football team that depends on 2 or more players, like the Eagles. You bet heavily on the opponents, then bribe the players to change sides.
And if they want the prize?
Eliminate them. Simple, isn't it? I have reason to believe the Eagles need a new trainer. Well done, Sonny. Well done. I want those guys back with the Falcons by next week. If not, get rid of them.
I'll hang around and wait for you, Joe.
I won't be long.
Okay, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hi, Flash.
We need your help.
I've heard about Lopez. No sign of the killer, I suppose.
But I know who's behind it.
Who did it?
The Vulture gang.
The vultures?
You know, last year, when Jerry and I left the Falcons to play for Eagles, we were threatened. I'm sure it's them.
And now they're meeting the Falcons for the Cup final. Are they still bothering you?
No, not the team, but the game behind them. You see, they want us to join the Falcons so they can win the Cup final.
And you want me to keep them off your backs?
Please, Joe, and you can help with training.
Hey, anything else you want me to do?
Please, Joe, until the Cup final.
Okay, Flash. I'll do it. But you better win the Cup.
Thanks, Joe. Thanks.
San Pogo speaking.
How are you, Mr. Pogo?
Very well, thanks. Who's that?
That's not important. Listen carefully. This is our final warning. We want Flesh and Jerry to join the Falcons before the Cup final.
What are you talking about? You must be crazy. They are our best.
Exactly.
Impossible.
Lucas refused our offer. And you are next.
Lucas, this whole thing is ridiculous. I'm not prepared to discuss it any longer. Who are you?
You've had your choice. You're going to regret it.
Hello? Hello?
What's wrong, Dad?
I'm in serious trouble. I think I better go and warn Joe. Go get the car. What the hell? What the hell? Are you all right?
Yes. Let's go before they come back.
That's gate number 2. That's the one Flesh and Jerry always use.
Leave me alone!
That's how long you'll get, Jerry. 3 days to get back to the Falcons.
All four.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Flesh. Get the boys the other side of the field.
Why?
Don't ask questions now.
Do it, man. Do it at once. Do it.
Okay.
That way, that way.
Get in the car. Get in the car, quick.
What's wrong?
Joe Bullet's son. He's coming. Move.
Don't worry. He'll never catch us in this car.
Blow the whistle for me and keep them over to the other side.
You better go and tell the boss. Bullet is working with the Eagles.
What happens now? They could really get us on our way home.
You guys have to stick together from now on.
Hey, I got a place out of town.
Sounds great. Could we use it?
Certainly.
Hey, you guys, get your clothes together and get me over to the president's place, okay?
I'll visit you at the farm one evening. Good luck with your new training quarters.
You know you're always welcome, Rocky.
There he goes.
Where are they?
Oh, please. I'm an old man. They gave me money to drive to the farm.
Are they still at the stadium?
No. They went along the main road.
Let him go. See you. What are you doing back here? Did you get away? Answer me!
Did you hear that, Sonny?
They got away. Well, the cards will tell. If it's black, you get a beating. If it's red, make it quick. Take it. Take it. The carpet, Sonny. The carpet. Take him outside.
You are trapped. Get out quickly. Joe, get us out. Quick. Joe, bullet. Let's move. Let it go! Duty! kids then.
Who is your leader? Tell me.
I'm sorry you failed. The reason why Lucas was killed was to set them an example. The attack on the president was only to alarm them. When the threats at the stadium were ignored, it was necessary to act against the president seriously. But thanks to Joe Bullitt, everything has come to nothing. Joe Bullitt must be eliminated. I have no intention of failing because of one man. There is a man named Spike Robbins who is a hired killer. Phone him at the gym. He'll be there now doing his karate exercises.
Hello? May I speak to Spike?
Speaking.
Spike! Sonny here. Listen, Spike, I've something in your line of business. Are you interested?
Who's it?
Joe Bullitt.
I'm not interested.
The reward will be high. Come on, Spike. What do you say?
10 grand. Nothing less.
10 grand. Okay. I'll come and see you tonight.
Tonight?
Nah, don't get up, my boy. Just take it easy. Easy now. You seem to have had a lucky break after tangling with Joe Bullet. But you made it, and I'm glad. How you escaped, I don't know. Sonny thought you'd copped it. But he was wrong. Must have been tough.
He caught me.
Yeah, Sonny told me. He also said you put up a fight, enabling him to make his getaway. I hope he appreciates that. I like people in my organization to show spirit. It is almost a sure sign that you can rely on them. Trust them. And when one does things beyond the call of duty, I think they should be well rewarded.
Hello? Joe Bullet here. Hello?
Yes, but there's no doubt. With boys like Flash and Jerry, we can't lose. I've told you before.
Come on, Jerry. Let's go into the dining room.
Why do women change so much?
What do you mean, Jerry?
You know, one might think you've got your girl, and then the next thing another guy comes along.
You mean Joe?
I was your man, Beauty. Now of that it's Joe Bullet.
I don't think Joe really cares about me.
But you wish he did.
Yes, I do.
Hi, Jerry.
She's all yours, lover boy.
That's what the man said. Lover boss.
Hi, Bennett. You enjoying yourself? That's good, man.
Hi, folks.
Hi, Joe. How's the training going?
Well, now, that's a good question. They're in good shape for the Cup final, but they lack spirit.
Spirits. That's what I need right now. Come on, Lillian.
I organized this party just for that reason.
Yes, but we must be very careful. These boys mean business. How did they know we were working at the farm?
I don't know. That's very strange. Enjoy yourself?
What's wrong with Jerry? You his girlfriend or something?
Not really, Joe. I like him, but no sparks fly.
I see. Why so down? Come on, cheer up, man, and let's enjoy the party.
I've got nothing to cheer up about. I'm still getting threats. I feel like joining the Falcons and I prefer it.
Ah, we're the greatest, boy. Look, we're a team. Remember, we got Joe Bullet behind us.
You talk about one guy against the whole gang. Forget him in the end.
But that's the only way, Jerry. And you know it.
I'd rather play for the Falcons and stay alive. What's more, there's the money in it.
Now, come of it. They'll never kill you. They just want you to kick the ball and score more goals for them.
Kick the ball and score more goals. Then what about Lucas?
Oh, well, he was merely a trainer.
Glad to see you, Flash. Joe, I'm worried about the death of Lucas. And now they've blown up my dam. What next?
Don't worry about that. I'll organize a bulldozer next week to repair the damage.
You mean it?
Tell me, Rocky. What's the secret of your success?
It's simple. It's like a game. As long as you make the first move.
I've known Rocky for very many years. He used to be professor of zoology, specializing in reptiles. Then he started a sideline business as an excavating contractor. He's a methodical man and perseveres in everything he does.
And another thing, I have a lot of patience. And I don't make mistakes.
No matter how good you are, sooner or later, one makes a mistake.
Not me, boy. I'm too clever, and I don't make mistakes.
Please cut me another piece of pork, Rocky.
See you around.
Okay.
Is that Joe Bullet?
Speak.
You don't know me, Mr. Bullet. My name is Red. I have important information for you about the bomb in your apartment last night. Will you meet me at the railway station at 9 o'clock? I'll introduce myself. Platform number 2, coach number 8681, compartment F.
9 o'clock sharp. Okay, Fred.
Popeye, you're getting old. Get up. You have a job to do.
What's cooking this time?
I want you to go over and make arrangements with Rocky for that bulldozer. If we don't do it now, he may forget it.
Come on, get up.
Joe Bullet. Joe Bullet. He's the man who fights evil. He's the man who fights crime. He's the man no one can tie down. He's the man the criminals fear. He's the man that you can't get near. He's the man that money can't buy. Beware if he's looking for you. Oh, pity is the last thing you'll get. You'll hunt night and day until he finds your hideaway. Joe Bullet. Joe Bullet. You will see that giant of a man. You will hear the fire in his voice. You will feel the touch of his hand. Now, should you survive, you'll never forget moments of terror you'll always regret. He rights the wrong and keeps it that way. Beware if he's looking for you. Oh, pity is the last thing you'll get. He'll hunt you night and day until he finds your eye.
I'm worried. It's 3 days before the cup final. If the gang is going to move, they'll do it today. I want you to mix with the crowd and keep your eyes open. If you see anything suspicious, please let me know.
Okay, Joe.
I'm meeting Flash and Jerry at gate 2.
Okay.
They were lucky we missed the penalty.
Yes, it was a tough match.
It was. Hi, Jerry. I'm going to keep my stuff here.
Sure.
Thanks. Say, Russia, will you tell Joe to meet us outside gate number 2?
Yes.
We're waiting for Beauty.
Pleasure.
Come on, Jerry.
Come quick. Beauty had an accident. She's in the ambulance. We are taking her to the hospital. Go away. You better hurry. Get in, please.
Have anyone of you seen Flash and Jerry?
They're meeting Beauty at gate number 2. Hold this.
Look, if I'm not back before the cup final, tell the manager to use 2 reserves, all right?
What's the arrangement?
Nothing wrong. But say that you win the cup, huh? Right.
Don't worry, we will. Now listen, you guys. There's nothing to worry about.
Have you seen Flash and Jerry?
No, not anywhere, no.
Thank you. Where's Flash?
In the ambulance outside.
Come, boy, come and show me. You know, Popeye, the position is serious. The president has lost his daughter, and the team their best players. Unless we find them, the Eagles don't stand a chance in the Cup final tomorrow. If only we could find out who is their leader. This corruption in sport must stop. Look, Popeye. Are you sure you have never seen this sign before? It's a D, with a lightning flash going through it. Now, are you sure this means nothing to you?
It seems to ring a bell.
It does?
I've seen it. I know I've seen it. I know where I've seen it.
Are you sure?
I'm afraid so.
Do you know where they are?
I don't know. The ambulance took off before we got to the car.
They must have gone down to the old mine. The place is heavily guarded. You can't just walk in there by yourself.
I know the place. But I've got to be a bird to get in there.
Hey, you're giving me an idea. Let's go.
Hey, wait a minute. There it is.
Now just remember, count 10 and pull the cord, all right? Count 10 and pull the cord, Popeye.
I can't.
You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Whoa!
This way, Popeye. This way. You try that way.
They give a workout?
I can't take much more of this. They're going to kill Beauty if you don't play for the Falcons.
It's built like a bank here. We'll never get out.
Hadn't you better play for them? I mean, these guys might kill Beauty and it's going
Don't kill yourself. Snap out of it, Jerry. They'll never let you go, whether we play or not.
Okay, okay. I only hope Joe Bullet manages to find us.
Hey, you guys. Talking about me again.
Joe.
Come here. Come here. Stand way away from the door. I'll try and break it down, okay? Right.
Grab the car and get to the stadium. And don't worry, I'll get Beauty. And you win that match for us.
Cheer up, honey. It won't be long.
Leave me alone.
Over.
Joe Bullet is here with another man. The footballers have escaped.
What? What? Sonny? Sonny?
Yes?
That bullet bastard is here. You better hurry. Help me to move her forward. Attention! 2 strangers have entered our premises. I want the big one alive. Bring him to my office.
Are you all right, Popeye?
Popeye. Popeye. And here at the stadium, the Falcons take the field for the Cup final replay against the Eagles. It will be a very interesting match, as I understand that Flash and Jerry, the Eagles' best players, may very well be absent today.
Are we playing? Yes, we are. Oh, sure. Where the hell is Joe, man? Look, don't worry about Joe. We must just win this game.
No! What a surprise! The Eagles take the field, and that is Flash and Jerry. I'm going to have to kill you.
No. Please.
Go! I wouldn't do that.
Let her go. You made a mistake this time, Rocky.
Pass me that toy. Now!
No. No.
Burger 32. Junk. No, Sonny, please. Please, Sonny. Leave him his mind, Sonny. I want him to die slowly.
No. No.
Time up. Time up. I'll keep these as a little souvenir. Search him well. This guy's full of surprises. He's just a great hero. Sonny, contact the airport for the plane. Tell him we want to get out of here immediately. Get up the tower for better reception. Hurry.
I never trusted you. You rotten pig. But we've all made mistakes.
Shut up, you fool. I could have killed you much earlier. Only I want to have my fun before I leave.
Leave?
Yes. In 4 hours' time, I'll be across the border. Safe, sound, and rich. And a beautiful girl to keep me company. Bitch! Don't ever try that again. I could have given you everything, Beauty.
Joe.
If only you'd listened to me.
No. Leave my alone. Leave my alone. No. No. Please.
You don't want me? Nobody interferes with my business and lives. You want him? You can have him, but not alive.
Don't. No. No.
I'll show you something that can spit, baby. My little beauty. Egyptian spitting cobra, the same pair that killed Cleopatra. It is not alone from the deadliness and his almost hysterical disposition that the present reptiles have got notoriety. But it also has the most virulent poison of all snakes. The Egyptian cobra might well be termed the most sensational vibrant, neotoxic. It can strike at any moving object, faster than the mamba, aims accurately, can spit accurately, and can kill a man in 5 minutes, even the great Joe Bullet. So long, Mr. Bullet.
Don't move, Beauty. Keep still. Don't move. Use this. I'll kill that bastard with my bare hands.
Careful, Joe.
There are only a few minutes to go in this cup final replay. Oh, what a magnificent match. No score so far. These teams are so evenly matched that anything could happen. The Falcons gather around as Ross changes his shots, which got Tonie in that last exchange. And then Pogo, the president of the Eagles, take the opportunity of having a final word with the team. And there goes the whistle, and the play is on. Still no score in one of the toughest matches we have seen on this ground. The Falcons are playing a tremendous game, but just can't break through the Eagles' defense. Time and again, they are stopped just when they are ordered to take the ball through.
Flash passes to Jerry, who puts the ball well upfield to Ross. Ross back to Flash, who runs through. He beats Bennett and shoots, but the ball is stopped by Cody Brown.
He had a chance this time for a moment, but was robbed by Bennett. Now the play is very red and developing into two-man duels. Why doesn't Baker pass? He has lost it. It's taken by Ross, who passes it to Flash. Flash runs up the wing. What a magnificent run. There's nobody who can get it. He's holding it well into the Falcons' half. The crowd cheers him. He's going mad. He steadied himself and shoots. It's a goal! Goal! And there goes the final whistle. The Eagles have won by 1-0.
And this was a magnificent match where the Eagles would suddenly have lost had Jerry and Flash not turned up at the last moment. And by winning this game, the Eagles have proved to be this year's champion of champs, and now once again back to the studios.
Lost my money. My money.
Come on, Rocky, hurry. I've got contact. Come on.
We must get out of here, Sonny. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Now give me that thing. Come on.
I've got contact. Please, hurry. They want you.
Calling Delta Zulu Juliet. This is 212.5. Over. Calling Delta Zulu Juliet. This is 010 Ray. Calling Delta Zulu Juliet. This is 010 Red. 212.5. Over. Calling Delta Zulu Juliet. This is 010 Red. 212.5. Over.
Come in 010 Red. Over.
Get the plane ready in 1 hour. We're leaving for headquarters. Over and out.
Impossible. My God. If only I had that damn gun. Impossible. Oh, my God. We've got to kill him. You'll have to pass me to get down.
That's why. That's why I'm going to kill you.
He's the man no one can tie down. He's the man the criminals fear. He's the man that you can't get near. He's the man that money can't buy. Beware if he's looking for you. Is the last thing you'll get. He'll hunt you night day until he finds your hideaway. Joe, Willis. Joe, Willis.